chasing peace through endless night, learning love in every phase, finding balance, finding grace in every heart. A mirror shines, two souls meet and intertwine. Through give and take, I find my way. Harmony within will lead the day. The quiet strength in gentle hands, a truth the world still understands. It's not control, it's learning to share, to build with love, to meet with care. I see myself through others' eyes. Each reflection helps me rise. No battle won through pride alone. Peace is the crown I finally grow. In every heart,